We need 6 beads for making the flower. 6 beads for making the flower. And 1 piece called spacer. Spacer is the same as used for the dog. Okay. Here. These beads you can find that the hole is bigger. Hole is bigger. Then we can use the wire 0.4. Just need to cut it 15 centimeter, 6 inch. 6 inch. Here, 6 inch. How to make the flower? This is 3 millimeter beads, so it's a little bit smaller beads than the blue. And here, how to make it? String all the 6 beads together. It's very easy making. Mila now is good at making the flower. 6 beads. Okay, 6 beads here. Keep one side short, one side longer. So 15 centimeter. You keep the beads at the position about 2 inch. So one side longer, one side short. Okay, then here you will see the beads loop to a circle. Okay, then here you can cross. Yeah, it's cross. Then the shape of the 6 beads make it a round shape. Okay. Then the short wire keep here, not move. The long wire you can put the beads on. Okay, the beads here a little small. Maybe we can use a 4 millimeter. Use a big one. This bead is a little small. I get a 4 millimeter beads. So this one, the beads bigger. So the beads bigger. Then beads go through the wire. 6 beads we will have 3 beads on each side. Then let the middle beads go on a little bit top. Then the wire goes through. Understand? Here and here. Then the wire go hang. Yeah. It's locked by the wire from back front. Then here 2 wire we need to make a loop. Twist. Okay. Then use the plier, make the loop the size you want. Here the short wire no need it. You just come the wire wrapper here. So it's like this. And tight. Then wrapper 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so a flower. What size wire is that?